This is a pecan tree. This is a cedar tree. See there? It's a tree. This is an oak tree. It's not from Oakland. This is privet. It's a weed. Ooh. This is a holly tree. Ouch. This is a magnolia tree. This is a dogwood tree. This is a dead tree. This is a boxwood tree. This is a viburnum tree. This is an azalea bush. This is a camellia tree. Damn! This is a pine tree. Sticky. This is a huckleberry bush. Has anybody seen my friend Tom? This is a tulip poplar. This is a locust tree. It's my local tree. This is a baby maple tree. I like babies. Cuckoo gaga, cuckoo gaga, cuckoo gaga, cuckoo gaga. This is a sweet gum tree, and my dad kicked my ball up. Click the subscribe button and press the bell next to it, and comment down below what the funniest part was about the show.